Hello students, today we are going to study aromatic hydrocarbons. Let's start with homocyclic compounds. The cyclic or ring compounds formed by carbon atoms are called homocyclic compounds, which may be aromatic or non-aromatic. Here are some examples of homocyclic compounds: benzene, naphthalene, cyclopropane, cyclopentadiene, cyclohexane, cyclobutane. Benzene and naphthalene is aromatic compound. Cyclopropane, cyclopentadiene, cyclohexane, and cyclobutane are non-aromatic in nature. These compounds are cyclic compounds and they form by carbon atom. Therefore, these compounds are called homocyclic compound. Then next is the classification of homocyclic compounds. Homocyclic compounds broadly classified into two groups. First one is the aromatic homocyclic compound and non-aromatic homocyclic compound. Aromatic homocyclic compound again divided into two groups, monocyclic and polycyclic. Example of monocyclic: mono means one ring. Example is benzene. Then polycyclic aromatic homocyclic compound. Example is the naphthalene. It is bicyclic compound, means it contains more than one ring, that is two rings. Therefore, it is polycyclic aromatic homocyclic compound. Then non-aromatic homocyclic compound is classified into monocyclic and polycyclic. Example of monocyclic compound is cyclohexane and polycyclic is decalene. Deca means 10. It is 10 carbon ring compound. This cyclohexane is saturate analog of benzene and decalene is the saturate analog of naphthalene. Therefore, this is the classification of homocyclic compound. They are classified into two groups, aromatic and non-aromatic. Again, they are classified into two groups, polycyclic monocyclic and polycyclic. Again, non-aromatic are classified into two, monocyclic and polycyclic. Then IUPAC nomenclatures of these aromatic compounds. The nomenclature of benzene and are done on the basis of substituent and their relative position. There are three types of benzene derivatives. First one is the monosubstituted benzene. Monosubstituted benzene means the only one hydrogen atom of benzene ring is substituted by any group. Here one example is there, methyl benzene or toluene. Only one hydrogen atom of benzene ring is substituted by any group. Then this compound is called monosubstituted benzene. Next derivative of benzene is the disubstituted benzene. Again, there are three types of disubstituted benzene. Means two hydrogen atoms of benzene ring substituted by any two groups. Same, these groups may be same or different. Then orthosubstituted means they are 1,2 position. Meta-substituted 1,3 position. Para-substituted 1,4 position. These are three types of disubstituted benzene. Then polysubstituted benzene means 4 or 5 carbon atoms, hydrogen atoms of benzene ring substituted by any other group. Therefore, these are three types of benzene derivative: monosubstituted, disubstituted and polysubstituted. Then moving towards monosubstituted benzene. Some monosubstituted benzene derivatives are named by name of substituent followed by the word benzene. Then this is first method of nomenclature of monosubstituted benzene. First example is chlorobenzene. In this substituent is the chlorine. Therefore, chloro, the name of group chloro, and it is followed by the word benzene. The next example is the methyl benzene. Here substituent is the CH3 group and hydrogen atom, that is hydrogen atom of this benzene ring is substituted by CH3 group, that is methyl group, and its common name is toluene. And then next example is the nitrobenzene, in which the hydrogen atom of benzene ring is substituted by this nitro group. Therefore, it is nitro followed by the word benzene. Therefore, the name of this compound is nitrobenzene. Then next example is the aminobenzene, and common name of this aminobenzene is aniline, in which hydrogen atom is substituted by the NH2 group. Then next example is methoxybenzene. In methoxybenzene, that is anisole, the hydrogen atom of benzene ring is substituted by methoxy group. OCH3 group is called methoxy group. Therefore, it is an anisole or methoxybenzene. It is ether compound. Functional group is ether compound, carbon, oxygen, carbon linkage. Then next example is isopropyl benzene. Benzene, one hydrogen atom of this benzene group is substituted by isopropyl group. Isopropyl group means this second hydrogen atom of propane is substituted by benzene or is substituted, therefore it is isopropyl group. And the common name of this compound is cumene. Then next is the ethyl benzene. In ethyl benzene, the hydrogen atom of benzene ring is substituted by this ethyl group. Then next is the some monosubstituted benzenes derivatives are known by their common names. For example, phenol. They are known by their common names. Phenol, benzoic acid, benzaldehyde means it is aromatic aldehyde, acetaldehyde. Functional group is acetaldehyde in this. Therefore, it is acetaldehyde. Then benzene sulfonic acid. Then benzonitrile, acetophenol, it is aromatic ketone, benzyl chloride. This position is benzyl position, therefore chlorine is attached to this benzylic carbon, therefore it is benzyl chloride. These compounds are known by their common names. Then next is the disubstituted benzene, means two hydrogen atom of benzene ring is substituted by any other groups are called as substituted benzene. And in this case, there are three possible isomeric compounds of disubstituted benzene derivative, which are differentiated by names ortho, meta, and para as their relative positions or by numbering method. One example is here this CH3. The two carbon atoms, suppose one number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The substituent at 2 and 6 position are called ortho substituent, or this position is called ortho position. Then the substituent at 3 and 5 position are meta positions, and the substituent are called meta substituted groups. Then when the substituent is present at the para position with respect to this CH3 is called para substituted group. Then some examples: ortho-dibromobenzene. Bromobenzene 1, this is parent compound to which this next bromine is attached at second position. Therefore, it is 1,2-dibromobenzene, or this position of the bromine which is attached to second carbon is ortho position with respect to this bromine. Therefore, ortho di-bromo. Di means two. There are two bromine groups. Therefore, dibromobenzene, or if numbering method is used, then 1,2-dibromobenzene. Then next example is the second bromine atom is attached to, or third hydrogen atom of this compound is replaced by this bromine group. Then this compound name is M-dinitrobenzene. M-dinitro means meta-dibromobenzene, or this position is 1,3 position, therefore it is 1,3-dibromobenzene. Then last example is para-dibromo. Para means this bromine group is attached to carbon atom, fourth carbon atom with or para with respect to this first bromine. Therefore, it is para-dibromobenzene, or it is 1,4-dibromobenzene. These are nomenclature of disubstituted benzene. Then again, next, when two groups are different substituent, in this case start the numbering from the carbon to which main substituent is attached. Suppose first example is bromine and iodine, two different substituents are attached. Then in this compound the bromine is the main substituent and iodine is another substituent. Therefore, start numbering from this carbon atom to which bromine is attached. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this iodine is present at the fourth carbon, or it is para with respect to this first carbon or to which bromine is attached. Therefore, it is para-iodo-bromobenzene or 4-iodo-bromobenzene. Then again, in this case, in second example, it is metachloronitrobenzene. Parent compound in this is nitrobenzene, and this chlorine is a substituent, and it is at meta position with respect to this nitro group. Therefore, the common name is the metachloronitrobenzene. And in this case, the nitro group is the main substituent. Therefore, start numbering from this carbon atom to which this nitro group is attached. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, 3-chloronitrobenzene is the IUPAC nomenclature of this compound. Then next is the orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid. In this benzene sulfonic acid is the parent compound, or SO3H, that is sulfonic acid group is the main substituent, and chlorine is another substituent. Therefore, it is at the ortho with respect to the SO3H group. Therefore, it is orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid, or IUPAC nomenclature is the 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Then next compound is the orthonitrotoluene. This CH3 group is the main substituent, and this nitro group is present at the second position, that is ortho position. Therefore, common name is the orthonitrotoluene, and its IUPAC nomenclature is the 2-nitrotoluene. Then next example, para-bromophenol. This bromine, OH is the, or phenol is the parent compound, OH is the main substituent, and this bromine is at the para position with respect to this OH group. Therefore, common name is the para-bromophenol. And if numbering method is used, then 1, 2, 3, 4. It is placed at 4 carbon, therefore 4-bromophenol. And then last example of disubstituted benzene is meta-nitrobenzoic acid. Meta-nitrobenzoic acid means in this the main substituent is acid group, and nitro group is at third carbon, that is at meta carbon. Therefore, it is meta-nitrobenzoic acid or 3-nitrobenzoic acid. 3-nitrobenzoic acid is a IUPAC nomenclature, and common name is the meta-nitrobenzoic acid. Then next is the polysubstituted benzene. If more than 2 substituents group are attached to benzene ring, only numbering method is used for this compound to indicate their relative position. Correct? For polysubstituted benzene, if more than 2 substituent groups are attached to the benzene ring, only numbering system is used for this polysubstituted benzenes. Example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The bromine atom are attached to first carbon, second carbon, and fourth carbon. Therefore, it is here only numbering method is used. Therefore, start numbering from this carbon, because this bromine, both bromines are adjacent to each other. This bromine is away from these 2 bromine atoms. Therefore, start numbering from this. So we can start from this side, but this bromine is adjacent to this. Therefore, numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, it is 1, 2, 4. Tri. There are 3 bromine atoms. Therefore, tribromobenzene. Then second compound, here this phenol group is a parent compound. Chlorine and nitro are the substituent. And then start numbering from this OH, the carbon atom to which OH group is attached. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, chlorine is placed at the or attached at the second carbon with respect to this OH group, and this nitro group is attached to the fourth carbon with respect to this OH group. Therefore, the name of this compound is 2-chloro-4-nitrophenol. Then third compound is the 2,4,6-trinitro-aniline. Aniline is the parent compound. then bromine. These are three substituents, three bromine substituents.